Good morning, guys. It's ATL. What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs411, and what you guys been up to? Anything fresh, anything new, anything set? Well, right now, you guys, I'm just going to go to the Christmas hamper where we get the Christmas hamper to show ID. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I get.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's GoDogs411.
So we just showed ID to the Christmas hamper, so that's what we did, and we went to Harvey's, so we got some french fries, we got stuffed chicken burger. What did you get, Mom?
Poutine fries.
And basically
And a drink.
Diet Pepsi and Pepsi. So right now, you guys, we are just going to the rehab store, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm just seeing if they have any lamps, full lamps, so that's what I'm doing. So right now, you guys, we are just heading home, so that's what we are doing, and we're going to do some packing, so that's what we're doing. So right now, you guys, Mom and me are doing some packing. She's packing some clothes, I'm packing some video games, so that's what we're doing, so that's what we are kind of doing. So right now, you guys, I'm gonna make some hamburger helper, homemade hamburger helper. Where's my stewed tomatoes? So there's diced tomatoes right there. Yep, got some diced tomatoes. Got the diced tomatoes. Yeah, even. And then where's macaroni? I can't find macaroni. And then they come to that. But there's macaroni, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get all the ingredients and we're gonna make some hamburger helper. If you guys haven't seen how you guys make hamburger helper, click the I to see how I am making. So talk to you guys when I'm making hamburger helper. Look how good that looks to you guys. It looks so good. Woo. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow. It's a brand new video. Goodbye.